Hi guys, in today's video I'll be reviewing this hole puncher from Bostittch. Not sponsored by the way. So this thing has a large squeeze handle, make it easier for you to press down, very light. It has a lock mechanic right here, you can lock it. It has a ruler right here. This thing is not adjustable, it's fixed. And back here it has a waste basket back here where you can release and release the hole punch waste. The base is made of plastic. It sits down on the table flat, but a little slippery, easy to move around. Alright, that's about it. So let me test it out. Max capacity is 12 sheet, but I'll try 3 sheet right now. So when you slide the paper in, it's a little incline, it's not flat to the table. 3 sheet, slightly easy to press down. Alright, let me put it in my 3-ring binder. So this is how it will look on the 3-ring binder. It's look center, a little bit off, slightly. Alright, looks good. So here I have a 12 sheet. Let's try it out, see how it is. Sheet, very hard to press down, guys. It's not going through. I'm going to try half of them. So these are regular printing paper, and now I'm going to try 6 of them. I tried 12, it didn't go through, so let's do 6. 6, it's going through. The hole puncher seems pretty clean. Nothing is crooked or anything. Let me try one more time. 12. That's what they say. The max capacity. Regular printing paper. Go through, but nope, it didn't go through. So my guess is 12 sheet is not gonna work on this thing. Very hard to press down. Maybe 6 to 8, but not 12. 6 I can go through easily. And the waste basket. Here are some of the waste right here. Alright, let me give you guys my thought about this thing. I like the big squeeze handle right here. It's easy to press down, but it does not go through 12 sheet. You have to press down really hard, and I don't want to mess it up. 6 piece, okay. It doesn't have the adjustable right here. in case like you want like a different position, but with that preset position, it'll fit perfectly in the 3-ring binder. Waste basket, it's okay. It's a little high up, so when you set on the table, it'll slip around a little bit. And has a lock mechanism right here. That's pretty cool. All right, I give this product a 6.5 because it say that it go through 12 sheet, but it doesn't, and it slip around the table a little bit. I wish they can make it a little bit lower, so when you put the paper in, it will sit a little flatter on the table instead of incline right like this. So if you guys interested, I'll leave the link in the description. And if you guys have more products that want me to review, just let me know in the comment. And that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.